23 mile pit. Yeah, it's pretty cold. Very cold. Just my hands, the rest of me is not too bad. Legs are a bit cold, but yeah. Oh well, I'll thaw out. It's not a bad road. What's this? Alright, next 500, I won't stop. Wombats! There's some wombats next day, that'll be nice. Frozen hands, frozen hands, frozen hands, so frozen. As long as I don't fall off, I'll be okay. It is mid-November, but it is also Victoria. And once you get anywhere in the high country, you oh yeah, it's pretty cold. we're not that high up, but yeah, especially when it's early in the morning too. Oh, this is nice. Very hard to see once I start going quicker. Watery eyes. Yeah. Alright, I think we're nearly up the top of Bulla. Looks like the sun's breaking through. It's a nice light. Let's see if we can get to somewhere quickly enough to have a good look at it all. I think there's a few fucking Jesus. I think there's a few switchbacks right near the top here. I've never been up here. We go snowboarding and we just go to Hotham or Falls because they're generally, well, considered better. Sure, Bulla's alright too, but yeah, Bulla's closer to home. But yeah, I'll come up here in summer. I do want to come up here in the winter one time. But I think because it's closer, it gets pretty crowded and busy. I mean, even Hotham and Falls are bad enough on a weekend. Mount Bulla. So this is it. The village. Where can I go for a view? Probably nowhere. I'm sure there's good views around. Through traffic, yeah. Just take me to a car park on the edge of the hill. High is always better. Just keep going up. Oh, that's sick. Maybe just go there and have a look. So it would be pretty cool up here in winter. Seems like a good village. I don't know if it's down here. Don't think it is. Better hurry up because I want to miss all the good light. Well, I'm up the top of somewhere. Below, obviously, but I mean, couldn't really find a better place to park. Not a bad view though. And freezing. It's not really what I wanted to get, but figured out you can get up to the summit. I just didn't know where to go. Wasted a bit of good light, but we're going to get up here somewhere and it's going to be good, hopefully. Far can you go? It's actually pretty sick now. You can, it's amazing all these joints when you've never been here in winter, but all the others, you know, winter and summer are so different. But when you're here in summer, it's good to just see. It's good to see how the place really is, I suppose, because it's only got a bit of snow. We've barely had 3 months a year here, so yeah, that's pretty steep actually, Buller. Some steep parts there. It's nice. Alright, we should get a good view up here. I've just probably missed the best of all the light though, but what do you do? Maybe research your route a little bit more next time. That's probably it. You can't ride up there. It's meant to be a Summit car park. I'm not quite sure where that is. Maybe I've gone past it. I don't know. Oh, that's good. Layers are better that side. Nice views. Oh, that's probably it. That's a car park. Still snow. Of course there is. It's amazing how long the snow just sticks around for. A little bit anyway. Big pile of ice block. Yeah, that's sick. Check that out. Oh, so this is it, eh? Yeah, now I know where everyone goes. Well, the aim was to get here earlier, but I haven't. That's okay. I'm here now. Now I can check it all out. Check the snow, it's still there. That is pretty good. Doesn't do it. This pool doesn't get the snow though, I don't think. But, it's probably bigger than I thought it'd be. Good views. Schnoll, schnoll, schnoll. Let's check out the other side, eh? Some of these bloody really deep. Gotta get a bit closer. Oh, season. Get some of that fog. I'm in a creek now. This hasn't been a good move. Boots hold up. The light was good on the other side too, but probably going to miss that. Alright, picking a better way back up. It's pretty nice. Need a shot of that fog. Gotta walk back up that hill though, don't I? What an idiot. Just big crunch. That's natural, eh? It's cool. Oh, there's snow making along here. Very hard to see. Beautiful. Couple of big ice blocks left. It is actually, a rock hard block of ice. It's pretty massive, this one, and then that one. That's it. Whilst I slip around. Alright, packed up. Just went over the bridge around to the picnic area, got rid of my rubbish, and heading off. We're stopping somewhere for some sort of coffee or breakfast. See how we go. Then I want to do a bit of a loop, go for a bit of a ride, and yeah, should be fun. Need to give my visor a clean. The later Arvo riding yesterday got me plenty of bugs, not as many on my windshield though, but still heaps. I think I forgot to plug the mic in before when I was making coffee or breakfast or whatever I was doing, so that probably won't sound great, or it'll be crap footage anyway, so I won't use it. So yeah, beautiful, nice day. Should be pretty warm, warm enough with the sun out, clear. Forward to a bit of riding, a nice feed. That's about it, I suppose. Have a bit of fun. Phew. It's still pretty cool. I just took all my layers off. When you pack it up and strapping everything on the bike, and the sun was out, you get pretty warm, so. But it's a nice breeze at the moment. Should only get warmer, so I'll be alright. Kevington and Jamison. I had breakfast at Jamison, but I forgot to put my mic in again. So yeah, almost home now. It's been a good little trip. Hopefully I'll be doing quite a few more there soon and filming them and improving the recording and editing. Less amateur mistakes like forgetting the mic. If you want to see more of this, like the page, subscribe, all that stuff, you know, that we do on YouTube. And thanks for watching. See you guys.